Hello there.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 online business using my lead gen secret day 27. I don't lost track. I'm not sure. Anyway, guys, let's talk about why I like promoting the $25 business real quick. For one thing, it's a system in which you need when it comes to promoting online businesses. Any kind of online business, you're gonna need a funnel. And I think it's the best offer I've seen. $25 for a fully built, fully functional funnel. You know what I mean? $25 a month for it. And plus a whole lot of other stuff that you get for it as well, that they set up for you as well and teach you how to do, to the point where you can set up any kind of business that you want using the program. You don't have to do the program if you don't want to. You can do all the other things. But that would exclude the reason why I'm 100% behind the $25 online business, which is the recurring income that you can make from it. Basically, it's kind of like investing in a way. Once you get a sale on the $25 business, once you get a sale, it's like powerful. You know what I mean? Very powerful, because that person could stay in the system over and over and over again. It's the 80% recurring commission, so you get 80% every single month, and a lot of systems don't do that. I promise you, there's no system that does 80% recurring commissions. They may do 80% at the beginning. I doubt they even do that, to be honest with you. They might do like 50%. The most I seen is like 40%, to be honest. The most I seen 40% at the beginning, and then like 20% later on. Or the highest recurring I seen is like 40%. 80% recurring is unheard of. You only need 2 people to make your money back. You only need 2 people to be in profit, not just make your money back, be in profit. And that's kind of ridiculous. So we made a ton here. We almost 1,200 in about 2-3 months. And we're not even trying that terribly hard, but we got so many people in the system already. You know what I mean? But anyway, guys, let's keep it moving here. Let's keep it moving here. Now let's look at our results here. Get refresh here. See what's going on. All right, we did get a sale yesterday. Okay.
Nice.
That's pretty good, guys. So we did get a sale yesterday. I don't want to show the name or nothing like that. I just want to show that we did get a sale yesterday. And make sure people who show you results refresh their page, so you know for a fact that they did. It is what it is. You know what I mean? We did get a sale, which is very, very cool. I'm very happy for that situation, man. And I'm hoping you guys are starting to make sales, starting to get into sales and stuff. If you started from day one, by now you should have at least 1 or 2 sales, and you should start making money by now. By day 27, I think on average, I've gotten like 11 sales. I do have a bigger lead gen account than you guys may have, to be fair. But it's still just one account that's growing, and it's only been growing. I hadn't even had a sale in it, so it wasn't the best account that I had. It was the weakest account that I had until recently. I got a sale in it, so now I'm getting 200 per day, 200 leads per day on it. So that's why I say this, man. Just keep promoting. You'll get it. You'll get sales, guys. This My Lead Gen, it works. I know it don't seem like it should work, but it works. You get sales, man. So anyway, let's keep it moving here. We're gonna log into My Lead Gen here. We're gonna go with making money. So we're just gonna go with the next email on that list. Filling my money up. Got a sale on that first one there. Boom, boom, boom. Whatever. Seems like I get a sale on that first one every time. Now I think about it. I pick making money my first week. I always get a sale on that one. Anyway, man, let's keep it going. Perfect timing. Make sure it's perfect timing and everything. Make sure your link works as well with preview here. You can check and see if your link works. I know mine works because I'm sent this email before. And anyway, you send the email. It's just that simple, guys. Very easy to do, very simple to understand. And understand that I'm only using one particular account, my weakest account. I do have a lot of people in this account, but it's my weakest account by far. Like, I'm trying to emulate what somebody just starting with get, and I got multiple sales with this account. You guys should at least be getting half of that, I think. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. All the links are in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell to keep up with any other videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.